As a Middle Tennessean, you know that storm season can be tough. But what you may not know is how Nashville Electric Service handles power outages. With over 400,000 customers to service, NES crews stick to a tried and true process to restore your power as safely and efficiently as possible. And it happens in 4 steps. We begin by inspecting transmission lines and towers. These supply power to the rest of our grid, and as a result, can cause the greatest number of outages if downed by a storm. If these are intact, we move on to distribution substations. These receive high voltage power from transmission lines and distribute it at a lower voltage to the rest of the system. If damaged, it can mean lights out for hundreds, even thousands of NES customers. After substations, we inspect and repair main distribution lines and poles. We start with those that deliver power to critical facilities like hospitals, police and fire stations, and nursing homes. Then we check lines that serve the largest areas with an outage. If customers are still experiencing power loss, tap lines are the last on our list. Tap lines supply power to the individual transformers you see scattered about your neighborhood, and can be the difference between your neighbor having power and your lights still being out. It's also important to note that if you see a downed power line, always assume it's live and dangerous, no matter where it's located. Call 911 to report the hazard immediately and steer clear of the area. Even when it's not storm season, we're working hard to reduce outages. Throughout the year, NES crews manage vegetation growth along each circuit in our system to help protect lines from tree-related outages. Through our tree trimming program, we cover 5,700 miles of power lines every 3 to 4 years. That's roughly the distance from Nashville to Athens, Greece. So the next time the skies get rough, you can rest assured that we've been hard at work preparing for what's to come. At Nashville Electric Service, we're ready.